Hey everyone, want to tell you about this Wilderness multi-purpose waist pack I've been using for running. Super lightweight material. It uses some heavier Cordura options. Obviously for using it for running, I wanted to get a lighter weight option, but I like having a pack that I can put some med supplies in. Do a lot of trail running, do a lot of running, for miles along roadways and things like that. And then I've seen some nasty, wicked little injuries. So I want to show you guys what I carry in it. So inside this front pouch here, pretty simple stuff. I got some bag balm, or basically anti-chafing cream. Anyone who runs or does any kind of physical activity, yeah, chafing will shut your ass, literally shut your ass down. I like the Honey Stinger gel packs, my favorites there. And then just some good old chapstick. So nothing special there, just basic chapstick. In the main pouch, see if I can open this with one hand here. In the main pouch, here we go. All right, these are all supplies I have had to use on trails and on runs before. So I've got some basic quick clot, not because I'm expecting catastrophic hemorrhage necessarily, but because sometimes it's just hard to get certain wounds to stop bleeding, and it's nice to have a hemostatic available. Some basic 4x4s down there. Some burn dressings, just because of friction burn. Someone falls and skins up their knees, skins up their elbows pretty bad. Nice to have something to apply to that. This is really my primary stop the bleed supplies, just an elastic bandage and some compressed gauze, ready to go in a nice little pre-made kit there. Some Coban or elastic, self-adhesive wrap, just to make sure that everything stays where I put it. I've got a basic boo-boo kit here, some really essential little band-aids and some different medications, including things like anti-diarrheal. You're back there and you start getting sick. Sometimes I'm miles away from a trailhead and I just need something to limp myself back to the truck. Same thing with like these blister aids. Oops, upside down there. I really like these guys, the Dr. Frederick's ones. Super beneficial if you start getting hot spots or blisters. And then a saline rinse, just in case I need to rinse out some kind of little wounds. And I take the plungers off, so I like the ones that the plungers screw on and off. That way I can go ahead and have a preloaded saline wash, but then I can, draw out of a fresh water source and be able to just keep using it over and over again if I need to. In the back, I keep a basic Halo chest seal and a Tegaderm. Again, not necessarily expecting penetrating chest trauma here, but chest seals are great for just keeping things in place, man. I put Band-Aids and I'm sweating, or I got something kind of wrapped up or something sealed up and I'm sweating a lot. It tends to make stuff fall off, and chest seals just really help keep that in place. Same thing with Tegaderm. So super lightweight kit, even lighter weight. It's not really much stuff that I'm using, but really good lightweight option for a trail running or road running kit. Modify it as you see fit, but this is what I put in mine. Awesome setup from Wilderness. No problems whatsoever with it being comfortable.